What's going on today, guys, and welcome to Eddie Studios. If you haven't been here before, I do weekly videos with tips and tricks to help you be a better videographer and how to do it just on a budget with the gear you have or spending very little money to get the gear you need to make exactly what you want. This little camera right here, the DJI Osmo Pocket 2, I've been making videos on for the last year, and I've had it since pretty much the day it came out. And I want to talk about what I think of it after a year. Does it hold up to the other cameras that have released over the last year? And is it the right camera for you to achieve all of your video making needs? I'm gonna show you a few clips from all of the stuff I've done with this over the last year, and then we'll get right into it. Stick around. And I'm just using my DJI Osmo Pocket 2. I'm using the wireless mic right now. Thought I'd bring you guys along for a day as a vlog with Eddie. I am shooting with the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 because, well, I use it for everything, but it also is just a great vlogging camera. I like this profile, and then let's go ahead and color grade this right now. And it gives you the ability to color grade it to like pretty much exactly what you want. So let's do some more shots. All right, guys, so as you can tell, I have shot a ton with this thing over the last year, and I've taken it everywhere. I've gotten a lot of pieces of equipment that work well with it, like this Movo mount that you just click it right in here, then you put your phone in it, and it makes so you can use your phone as a monitor, holds a microphone or a light or both because it has two mounts on it, so you could do both a light and a microphone to do some vlogging. The opportunities to use your phone as a monitor for this guy is very handy. Comes with the case that it normally goes in, your adapter to your phone, your wide angle lens that it comes with. I never use the wide angle lens, but it's handy. It adds a little barrel distortion that I don't really like. I've purchased a anamorphic lens. This thing's fun to shoot stuff with, done some car videos with it. Normal ND filters are a must with any camera. If you're trying to be serious about filmmaking, they're inexpensive and they can make it so that you can set your settings for how you're supposed to for shooting good video. As well as I utilize the hell out of this thing for doing some long exposure photography because it's super steady. I can stick it on the little tripod that it comes with, get some crazy good looking long exposure photography with this guy. Just awesome stuff. They have released a lot of different cameras in the last year, action cameras, and other companies have made their pocket cameras, but everything that I've seen in comparison, and I'm not going to go out and buy the other ones when I have the best one here, is that the video quality you're getting with DJI is probably the best, bar none. From what I've seen, don't get me wrong, I have not actually played with these other ones, but the menus look like hell. So you got the Fimi Palm, and you've got the like Fiu Pocket, has a big old screen on it, but like the menu looks like a nightmare. And in the past year, I've played with the GoPro Hero 9. I have not played with the Hero 10, but I've played with Insta360 1R, and this guy, and countless mirrorless cameras. The touch screen on this guy, somehow smaller than the rest of those, and it's more responsive by far. More responsive by far, does what you want it to do when you want it to do it. It just, you scroll through it, it's fast, it's easy. You not only can get steady shots with this camera, but you can take angles and movement that you can't take with those other cameras. The other pocket gimbal cameras, you can do the same stuff with it, but again, video quality is not there. That is a perfect segue into talking about what this has that all the other action cameras and pocket gimbal cameras don't have. And that's your wireless microphone. And DJI's technology for this wireless microphone holds up. Like, I've compared it to my Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone set, and the distance is pretty similar, and the quality is all there. Like, the quality of it comes in super handy, and you can step back from your mic, set active track on, and talk and move around. If you're doing something for a workout video or just showing somebody something, active track yourself, use the wireless microphone, talk about it, move around, the camera follows you. You can't do that with other action cameras unless you buy a gimbal that has that enabled. And those gimbals are expensive, more expensive than this by itself. So you got a camera that can active track, follow you, and has a wireless microphone. There's nothing that's released in the last year that even comes close to having that at a $500 or less price point. Like, if you found something, let me know, because I haven't. In conclusion, I believe that in the last year and even before this, nothing has released that has as much of a wide range as this little camera here. This gives you such a wide range of options of what you can do shooting wise, and the opportunities with this thing is completely endless. Like, I can't say enough good things about this, and I'm discovering new ways to use my Osmo Pocket 2 every single day, and I use it every single day, guys. So I believe today you could buy this camera, and in 3 years from now, you're gonna be super happy with it still. A year later, I'm still impressed with it every single day. If this video appealed to you guys and you got something out of it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to see more content on hopefully stuff I find out about this, but new gear and ways to use the gear you currently have to better your videography and photography needs. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up though, and please leave me comments and let me know if you think I'm right here. And if you're considering buying one, I'd like to hear that. If you're considering making a purchase on a new camera or a first camera, and I want to hear if this camera might be the camera for you, or if you have questions that might pertain to this that I could probably answer for you to help you make the decision a little bit better. So don't be afraid to leave the comments, guys. I'll talk to you next week with my next video. Top one will be last week's video. Bottom's going to be YouTube's recommendation for you. Until next time, go shoot something awesome, even if it's with your phone. Post it. Let's see it. Peace out, guys. Have a good one. I'm going to keep grinding here at Eddie Studios.